Ban Ioh Kyrdan ki Samla Pule ki bla pass bhabat Ioh Kyrdan topper ke Eksam Sslc but Hsslc jong kasnem arja arpuar haka arpusantre gujalleo arja arpuar ka school ba joko University Science and Technology khandai mer khanapara kala shime ka senjam ban Pynkup Burom ki Samla Pule ki bayo ki Kyrdan top 20 na ka jala Assam and Meghalaya ya ka program la pulong hapo ka Central Auditorium jaka school ba Ustm Hagani Gisngi Kiladan Hadoshi Spa live crowd ki Samla ki pass ba ki Kyrdan top 20. Yagini ki Samla la Pynkup Burom da ki Sernat ka song pisa bat ki memento. Lawan ban ya don lang ban Ioh Kyrdan ki Samla Pule do Dr. RM Pant, Vice Chancellor jaka Assam University Silchar ku Mukongsan, ha ka jodon lang ru Chancellor ka Ustm Uma Habubul Hok, u Pro Vice Chancellor ka Ustm u Dr. Balendra Kumar Das, lembar ki weki na hikai jogane ka school ba. La sakhiru ek jingdon lang ki kemeki pa ki nohi kai ki khna ki bla pass ba ki ne ki exam.
You have achieved great success, but that's not the end. That is just the beginning. You have many more hurdles to overcome. You have many more challenges to overcome, and I'm sure the way you have taken the first step, you'll continue walking with the same enthusiasm, and you'll make similar kind of progress. You will bring similar kind of laurels for yourself, for your family, and for your institute, and for your nation. My best wishes and blessings to you all. I have no words to express my gratitude to this premier institution of Northeast India, Ustm, which is creating a very good ecosystem for facilitating good quality education in the region. And I congratulate the Chancellor Hsslc for his great initiatives. Today I came to this campus after almost a gap of 2 years, and I could see the difference both in physical sense as well as in intellectual sense. In fact, we have a very beautiful campus now here in Ustm, world-class facilities, and at the same time, this facility is being used for providing very good quality education. I must congratulate the leaders sitting here and all the teachers present here who are really, contributing for the growth of this institutions with full dedication.
We the people, entire Ustm family, waiting to see the faces of all of you, the toppers from Assam and Meghalaya. University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is a very special institution where students from all over the northeastern states are studying here. So certainly, some of the students probably feeling that why it is for Assam and Meghalaya. Why not Meghalaya and why not? It's just we are progressing day by day. Earlier we used to organize this program for the separately for the state of Meghalaya in Shillong and for the Assam also in Guwahati. Now this time we tried to make a demonstration whether our toppers will be accepting the invitation or not. And we are completely successful in turning up 90% of the toppers in this particular ceremony. 10% could not come because of very genuine reason.